What's up, peeps? If y'all remember in my Disney videos, I talked about a joystick that a man that made joysticks and was sending me some. Well, they're here, and Mama's already preaching. Wait, look. She's jumping ahead. Anyway, I'm going to try them out now. So let's go. Okay, what we got?
Some joysticks.
I know that.
I didn't cut them open, sorry. I had to peek.
You always peek.
I know, I can't help myself. Okay, we got, I'll get these out first. We've got these three. They look like Epcot balls. A bigger one, a medium, and a small one. Which one you want to try?
All of them, I guess.
Okay.
Turn me off.
Okay. I need to pull off the pops off. Maybe you just need a pop socket. Okay.
I think that's what I have.
Okay, that fits right on there. Yay.
Oh, it's big.
Okay.
This is heavy. Oh, no. I used to do it with this. And then this way. Now here, turn the other way. Sorry.
Yep.
Up there.
Okay.
Go forward.
Yeah.
Backward.
Backward. Do you want to try the other one?
Up there. Up there. Nice one.
Okay. The medium?
Yeah.
Cut it off. Yep.
Always try off the tray.
She'll run over me. Popped off. Okay, the medium.
Small Epcot ball success.
Okay, there you go.
Oh goodness. This is me. I'm so tired.
That way. Can you turn the other way?
That's not there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You done that one pretty good.
That was very much my hand there. It ain't moving. It's so big.
You mean to stop yourself?
Huh?
To stop yourself?
Pretty much.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, I don't stop. But that's about it.
Okay. Well, do you want to try the big one?
Probably not.
Okay. Well, we'll do... Okay, you got two.
I'm little. I really don't see it being any different than that one though. Anyway.
Okay. So... Oh, sorry. I forget. Which one you want to try?
That one.
The small one? You want it this way or that way?
Probably sideways.
This way? Like this way?
Yeah.
Or this way?
The other way. Yeah.
This way? Okay.
Oh, that's weird. That's really weird.
Does it need to be turned?
No, I don't think so. It's like, oops. Something else. I was talking, not paying attention. It's different. I don't know how to turn that way.
You can turn the other way. Oh, you got it. Just a little practice and you'll be good with it.
Huh. That was weird. It's not bad. It's
Does it need to be turned the other way, out and back? Like, out and back? Or here, try this one.
because then my thumb wouldn't. While she's doing that one, what this is what
This way again?
you might have done. Not much, but
Okay.
my joystick is a micro. And when we were at the outfit, he had joysticks for a standard size. But with me being micro,
It didn't work.
and like, those sizes didn't work. So he sent me some to try. That way he could sell more of a variety for other people that use micro. So my chair stopped.
That's what you're doing. You're trying them out.
I'm being his guinea pig. And right now I'm not leaving. Okay, this one doesn't work. The big one don't work for me.
Don't work. Okay. Okay, we eliminate the big one.
He was concerned too because the micro is so easy. I mean, you would see it moves with just a finger. And he wanted to make sure the weight wasn't too heavy. So obviously that one was too heavy. It kept telling me it was out of center. What's up, sweetheart?
We got a bunch of they're like rings. There's one.
I mentioned this design.
Yeah.
I thought it would be easier to grip. Sometimes if we go on like rocks, or
Yeah, like uneven.
honestly just a sidewalk, like a brick sidewalk, it's so bouncy. My hand bounces right off.
What you want to start with?
Yeah.
Let's start with 3. So the small one of that one,
Of the U.
of the U.
Yeah.
And this is the little ring.
But I thought I would put my
Does it go like this or like this?
probably kind of sideways.
Like that?
Yeah. But I thought if I needed to,
Okay.
I could put my finger in it and be able to grip better.
Just stabilize.
Just come on. Okay.
Yep. And turn that way. That was good.
Up there.
It's got your hand sitting up a little higher too.
Oh, just that look like that.
Oh, you don't?
Just because,
You like for it to hang down?
yeah. When it's up high, I can't pick it up no higher.
Okay.
If it's down, I have room.
Or do you want to go up one number or down one number? That's a 3.
And try to
2?
maybe put it more sideways this time.
Okay.
Could you stop leaving? I yell at my tail sound.
Okay. I'll just put it like out and back like this. Is that okay?
Hmm?
Just out and back like that.
I'm going to put it sideways.
Do it sideways again?
It wasn't sideways, wasn't it?
Okay. That needs to be turned like that.
Keep going. Like completely sideways. Yeah.
Okay.
That way when I'm holding it, my thumb's in the hole.
Oh. Okay. And that one's 2.
Very tiny.
Can you not stop?
Yeah. I think that might be a little bit too small.
Too small. And try the 4.
Sure.
Okay.
Can't turn to the right too big with that one.
Which one did you have a while ago? You went down there and just zoomed around. Was that the little ball?
Right, so.
That was seemed to be the best one so far.
I zoomed.
You did. You zoomed. You want it the same way?
Yeah. Because I wonder what we do.
I think she's coming back.
Who was it first? Who was it?
Sissy.
My sister. Other sister.
You turned pretty good with that one.
Yeah. Not bad. I think this one would be good. Like on a gravel road. That might be the only time I use it.
Oh, you
I
got
have
the
to
option.
switch them out.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems to be good.
I think maybe I like the wheel size on this one. Maybe
And try the 5.
I don't know.
It goes up to 7.
Maybe a little shorter base, if that's possible. Just so my hands not up so high.
Do you want to try this one again?
Sure.
Is that the one you had? That
I think so.
the smaller one?
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
it would hurt her more than me anyway.
Yep, it was run over me.
I'm saving her. Oh,
Is it
Oh,
done?
it's-
It cut back on? Okay. It's
It's
ready
ready
for
to
you to
go.
go. It says, let's go. That one seems to be pretty good.
I didn't do that the best in this one.
You can, yeah.
It's a bit slower, but left is always, for some reason, slow in this time. I look forward to it.
Mm-hmm.
I do like the texture of this one. So that one's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I do like this one.
Okay. You want to try any more?
Do the U one more time.
The little one?
Yeah. I need to get used to this.
I'll turn it off first.
I'll get better with it.
And this way?
Yeah.
It like that?
Like, kind of slamming. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Oh, man. I did it too. I didn't do that.
You could if you
Yeah,
mess
I
with
like
it.
to get used to it. I like that one because it kind of braces my hand.
Everybody gonna come see what you're doing. Everyone says, hey.
Brother from another mother. Okay. So, I like the ring as far as like a gravel road. I think it would be good. But out of these,
I think this is the
Yeah.
winner.
the
The little
Epcot,
bitty one.
the little Epcot ball wins.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I will send him this information.
Tell him he
And,
done a good job.
yep. Batesville and see what else you can do. Alright, we will see y'all, or I will see y'all next time. Bye! Surprise! I ain't done yet.
Not yet.
So we went to talk to our visitors, and our driveway is like down the hill. And when I go, watch, I let go of it. I'm not pushing it.
And it's still
It's
going.
still going. It's still going. So, this would not be a bit too heavy. Because it's so sensitive.
He was afraid of that because the micro is very, very sensitive to touch.
And the normal joystick, it does this, but not this bad.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see my hand was just sitting.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not pushing.
No.
This is me pushing.
Yeah.
So, maybe for weight purposes, a little bit smaller. Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know how you would get it much light. I mean, it's light,
I know.
but I guess it needs to be just a tad bit lighter.
We'll see that.
Yeah, you can try it some more.
I'll ask him what he suggests. And go from there.
Can they mess with the sensitivity of it? With the computer part of it? Can they make it less sensitive?
I don't think so.
No?
No, because the joystick is a joystick.
Yeah.
It's just, they can do, well,
I didn't know.
Sometime.
That's what I was thinking, that they did something because it needed to be a little more sensitive because you weren't able to push it. And they wanted to make it as sensitive as it could be. I don't know. We can call and ask can ask David and see what he says.
Wheelchair dude.
Yeah, before we decide if that's going to be
An issue.
Yeah.
Because that rabbit can't.
Yeah, you just have to rock out and back.
I can't let it go.
Yeah. But it does work good. That size is good for your hand.
Yeah.
I think. Do you?
I think once we, I'm going to reposition my joystick too. I think once we do that, it'll be perfect. It's real funny.
I think he's going around watching us. Hello up there. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
What happens when you live in the country?
Yeah. I like the country.
But this was the first batch, so we'll see what we can do now.
Yeah, we'll keep trying them, and we'll talk to David. So
stay tuned for round 2.
Good job, Phil. They work. We'll get it all figured out.
Yep. Alright. See you next time. Bye.